A crankshaft position sensor is used to monitor the angle or position of the crankshaft so that ECM can initiate the ignition firing for proper combustion. Symptoms of bad or failing crankshaft position sensor. 1. When you have a failing crankshaft sensor, your car may stall intermittently. A crankshaft sensor is a contact-less sensing device. Sometimes when it starts to fail, it can lose its sensing intermittently, which can cause your car to stall randomly. Usually your car starts fine in the morning, and as the engine heats up, the sensor could lose its capability because of the heat and fail. This can also be loose wiring or corroded wiring issue. A professional check would be required. 2. With a bad crankshaft sensor, your car might not start at all. The prime purpose of crankshaft sensor is to identify the position of crankshaft and pistons to initiate ignition firing. When the sensor fails completely, the ECM cannot read the exact data to initiate ignition firing and your car won't start. Sometimes it starts but shuts down immediately. 3. When the crankshaft sensor goes bad, you can see a check engine light flashing on the dashboard. As a bad sensor cannot read the data on the position of crankshaft, the driver will be alerted by a check engine light or an engine malfunction light. 4. With a bad crank sensor, your car might accelerate unevenly. With a bad crankshaft sensor data, the timing parameters calculated by the ECM goes wrong. This causes your vehicle to accelerate and decelerate by its own, giving rough or uneven acceleration. This will be evident in highway speeds. Your car might accelerate on its own, or the vehicle will not maintain a proper speed. 5. With a bad crankshaft sensor, you might see your engine running rough or idle badly. You may notice your engine shaking with engine RPM dancing up and down, especially when you stop at a traffic light. 6. With a bad crankshaft sensor in your car, you might see your fuel economy had gone down. If the sensor cannot read the data properly, ECM cannot inject the fuel or spark the ignition in the proper time. This alters the efficiency of the car. More fuel will be wasted unburned, and to get more power you might press the accelerator further. This affects the fuel economy of the vehicle badly. 7. With a bad crankshaft sensor, your engine can misfire a lot. Your engine can shake badly and sputters a lot if you have a bad crankshaft position sensor. This might be experienced more when the engine is idling. This happens when the position of crankshaft will be misread by the sensor and ECM will fire the engine incorrectly.